Am I audible now, sir?
Yes, yes, Harish.
Yes,
Just
sir.
give me a moment.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right. So, Harish, you're aware about this position, what we are hiring for, right? It's a contractual position,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then this is
Yeah.
technical round.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I aware.
Okay. All right. So, about myself, I'm Sanjay. I'm part of Walmart manufacturing team.
Okay.
So, I have total 14 years of experience in SAP, uh, and ABAP. Uh, Currently, I'm a architect with manufacturing team. So that's about myself. And this round, we will start with your introduction. Talk about your current project roles and responsibilities.
Okay.
Then a brief your project and business. Then we will get into the your areas of expertise. Then
Okay.
we will finally close with any questions.
Okay. Okay, sir. Ready.
Okay,
Ready.
please go ahead.
Okay. Finally, I start with my introduction. I completed my graduation in 2017. After that, I took a 1 year of coaching in ABAP and MM in both section. Then I joined in a company in Bangalore-based company. There, initially I work for 3 years. In between, I work in 2 support project and 1 implementation project. And coming to
Okay.
the roles and responsibility in implementation project, my daily activity was the analyze the functional specification and convert into the technical specification, and then our TL review that technical specification. After giving the sign up, means approved by our TL, then I start coding in development server. And
Mm.
in that time unit testing also I will do. And after that, again my TL reviewed that code. And hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah,
Hello.
Harish.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, yeah. Where after reviewing that code, I note down the code and transfer to that code to the quality server. In quality server, the UAT happen, that is user accept testing is happen, and then it is transferred to the development server. It is as my daily activity in roles and responsibility in implementation project. And coming to the support part, where I work in tickets. There are 4 type of tickets come to us: P1, P2, P3, P4. P1 is high priority ticket, which we have to solve in 3 hours with our team. And P2 is a priority ticket which we have to solve in 8 hours. In
Mm.
according to 16 hour and 24 hour, we have to solve all the tickets. And this is all about my support roles and responsibility. Coming to my work area, what I have done, I work in data dictionary part. In data dictionary, I work in table creation, I work in domain creation, data element, technical setting also I will do technical setting. I give the size and classes of the tables. And instead of that, I work in search help. In search help, we work in what elementary search. Basically,
Okay.
whatever the field in beside the box says, we create a search box for them using the elementary field. And I work in lock object also. And in lock object, I created the functional work with functional module, that like EQ underscore the object name, and DQ underscore object name. EQ is for your lock, and DQ is for release the lock. And I also
Mm.
work in view part also. There is 4 type of view. One is a database view, projection view, help view, and that is maintenance
Okay.
view. Mostly I work in projection view and database view. Database view, in what we do, we taking multiple table
Okay.
and unite in a one table. And that table store in a
Yeah,
our
Harish, we will get into the technical part, but can you brief about your current project? What is your current project and what is your roles in that?
in my current project. In the last company, in my current project was that is Macron technology regarding our workflow. In workflow, we do what we do. We my daily activity was check the.
No, I'm asking about your current project, what you are working on right now.
Right now, I am not waiting for your
Okay.
project because just 1 month before 1 week before I left the previous company. So,
Okay. So yeah, I could see that you were working for BT, right? BAT, British American Tobacco. That
yeah,
is
yeah,
your
that,
latest
yeah,
project.
that was my last previous
Yeah,
company
Can
project.
you can you explain about that? What is the project and what is your activities?
In that project, we check the body part in and as well as a BAPI part and as well as a workflow. In three aspect, I daily basis check, and in daily basis, mostly IDOC document I monitoring. In IDOC, there is three section like your data segment, control segment, and status segment. So my daily activity was regularly check the all the IDOCs number, and there is some PO IDOC, there is some material IDOC, various type of IDOC already created, and I check where it is processed or not. If it is and we go to that is the T code was WE02, yeah, WE02. I check the status, and if it is showing error like the error for it is 51 and process okay it is for 53, it is showing 51 error, then we again we check it is which type of error, it is like functional error or it is a technical error. If it is functional error, I send to the functional team, and if it is technical error, uh, hello, hello, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, correct.
uh,
I can hear you.
uh,
What I was asking is it a support project or implementation project?
it was a support project, sir. More often
Okay.
support project, in between some implementation part also happen. I'll do my TL guide me, that time I just take care.
Okay.
In
Okay.
implementation I work for what 1 year.
Okay. So, and what is the system in this project? It is ECC or S4?
It was a HANA, sir. S4 HANA system.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And have you worked on AMDP, CDS?
I have knowledge, but I don't get a chance for that AMDB. I work on BAPI, BADI, and your and IDOC like this, and
Mhm.
workflow as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, uh, you mentioned you have knowledge on this. What you have basic understanding of CDS, AMDP, or you have have you done any exercises in this?
Very basic knowledge, but if you give me a chance, I can do, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Have you worked on OData gateway projects?
What type project, sir?
OData, OData services, gateway services.
Oh, data gateway service. Sorry, not yet, sir. But I can.
You have mentioned here
Yes, sir. All the things.
Fiori OData services, HANA, AMDP, CDS.
Yeah, yeah. Deep knowledge about that, sir. But mostly what I explain you, this area I work frequently.
Okay. Have you worked on reports, interfaces, rise up objects?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I work on RICEP. In RICEP also I work on enhancement part, and I work on ALB section. and in that functional module also I create work on that part.
Okay. So can you give me steps to create a ALV grid display program? And in the, let's say I'm my output is a ALV grid display for list of sales orders. Okay. So if I click on the sales order number, then it should take me to the sales order display screen. So
Okay.
how will you do this? Can you tell me the steps?
Sir,
Hello, Harish.
yes sir, yes sir, I'm trying
You
to.
got my question?
Sir, please repeat now.
So
uh,
basically, I need a list of sales orders in the ALV display.
List of
Is that
sales
okay?
order, okay, LB display, yes.
Okay. And in the ALV display, if I click on the sales order number,
Hmm.
it should take me to the sales order display screen, which is
Okay.
basically that particular sales order we will view in VA03, right? So it should take me there. So how will you fulfill this requirement?
Sir, the display ALB display screen I can create by using the e- that reuse underscore ALB grid display.
Mm-hmm.
But by clicking on that sales number directly reach to the sales order screen, that part I created, but now it's not remember come to in my mind, sir.
Okay.
I know the process, sir, but but all of the sudden, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Then I worked on interfaces, files, proxy, idocs,
Yeah, iDocs I work, sir.
files.
Files I have knowledge, but iDoc I worked.
Okay. So what are the steps to create a custom idoc configuration?
Custom iDoc. Mm. Hello.
Yeah, Harish, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sir, in iDoc I was in support project, so I generally I worked with the standard iDoc, sir.
Okay. So what are the basic steps to configure an idoc? Even not necessarily a custom idoc, but what are the basic steps to configure a standard idoc?
In WE30 code we create the iDoc, sir.
Which one?
In WE30 T code we create the iDoc, and in BD87 we process our iDoc.
Okay, we create the idoc in W30 and
Process in BD87.
how how do you process directly without configuring?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, what is the transaction you see you can monitor the idocs?
I see the transaction code WE02, WE30, BD87, and the status I seen in iDoc screen, that is 51 is for error, 53 is for process okay, and there is several status as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
let's say there are so many idocs which is coming inside, right?
Yes, sir.
Inside SAP system.
Yes,
So
sir.
if I want to search with a particular segment and the field name and find out the idoc, how can I do it? So basically, the idoc list will be there, but you cannot find out which which material is wait, one second. You cannot find out which material is in which IDOC, right? So basically, how do you find out the IDOC number with the material number, which is inside the segment?
Sorry, sir, I don't.
Have you worked on enhancements?
Enhancements in work in body, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. In body, we define SE18 the body, and in SE19 we implement that body. Yeah.
Okay. How do you find out the body?
Yeah, by help of the exit handler, we find the body. Most of the time our TL give that body, then I use that body in SE18 for define and implement in SE19. But yeah,
Okay.
I have a knowledge on little bit.
What is a fallback class?
What, sir?
Fallback class.
Fallback class. Yeah, I heard, sir, but I don't remember now.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Right. Anything else? You have worked in your project which was challenging.
Mostly I work in creation of a report and table parts, sir. And the challenging part is I feel that the IDOC and body that I feel more challenging.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you created any program for data migration?
Yes,
from,
I will work in migration project that is LSMW, and the in BDC there is 4 type of I work in BDC and indirect, and that is the third one was that call function. So mostly I work in LSMW, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, migration project. It is we migrate the data from non-SAP system to the SAP system, legacy system to SAP system. That's what I worked.
Adobe Forms, Smart Forms.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Have you worked on forms, Adobe Forms, Smart Forms?
I have knowledge on that, but never get a chance to work on that forms and all.
Okay.
In BDC, in LSMW I worked.
Okay.
Yeah, following the 16 step, it's working. That's
All right, Harish. So I think I'm pretty much done. Do you have any questions to me?
no, sir. No.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'll share the feedback with Ria, so they will get back to you. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Nice talking with you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Bye.
so much, sir. Bye.